Hi friends, let me show you these new recessed lights that I got. This is a 10 lights package. You can set them to 5 different color temperatures and they have a night light mode. So I think they are great if you want to upgrade your lighting at home or in a new installation, in a new project at home or at your office, okay? They are easy to install, as I tell you. Let me show them to you. These are the actual lights, okay? They have these, accessories so you can put them inside the hole in the ceiling and you will connect them with this cable. Really, really easy. Let me show you. This is the electric installation box. This is where you will set the temperature where you want to use them, okay? From 2700 to 5000 K. Those are the different colors you can set them. And they also have a night light function, okay? So we are going to test them and you can see how nice they look. Let's go.